Hello my friends, this is Julie the Creative Chica coming to you with another video. Today I'm coming on with a Dollar Tree collab hosted by Kelly at Kelly Santee Designs. There are 15 people total including Kelly that we are doing this collab. All the links are in the description box below. And this collab was to do anything Dollar Tree. That's the main part of the Dollar Tree item, and then we can use stickers, glitter, whatever we want. So I want to show you what I did for my project. Now the reason you're seeing this gorgeous paper, I bought it at Joann's, and this is called The Color of Memories, and I just absolutely love it. It's like this soft pale Tiffany blue with roses, very soft blush and pink and white roses. So beautiful. So what I decided to do was alter something a friend of mine gave me, and that is Jenny from Jen's Creations. And she gave me this. Let me turn this over. And she gave me this Dollar Tree camera, and it's a wood camera, and I decided to alter it. So what I did was I took that paper and I traced it and glued it on, and then put these gems, made these little pink flowers, and put a little pearl sprig here and one of my flowers. And on the inside I did that letter, and the letter is a J, of course, for Julie. And I found that beautiful glitter from some glitter that I had from Denise Becker. And then I found all these wonderful little beads that I thought I would put in there, and went around it here. Excuse me one second. Went around it. Sorry, need to get a drink. Went around it with these beautiful little rhinestones. So I did that. And then on the trim, I used some Dollar Tree tape, I guess, ribbon, and it's like almost like a polyester type ribbon, and I used that along the edge because these are my colors, this aqua. And on the back I just put the rest of the paper here. I'll probably write my name and the date that I made this, and it will sit in my craft room. And I found this little eye pin, and I decided to hang a dangle. So I made, let me see if I can show you guys. I don't know if you could see it very well. Oops, let me lay it down this way. And I made this little dangle here. So I put together 3 little beads and a pin and a little loop there, and then made another 3 and looped it onto here, and with a little flower. So that's what I did there, and that's my design. I like it because you can move it around, and it's got some pretty little pearls and pink and blue flowers to go with the pink of the flowers here. I mean, sorry, beads to go with the flowers here, and the pink and the pearl and a little bit of blue, and it's kind of like a shaker. And that was gifted to me. And then I had these, and I just thought that would just go together really well. I kind of wanted to do this beautiful kind of shiny but not overly done piece, because I really wanted it to just be kind of simple and elegant and beautiful to sit in my room. So that is my project, and like I said, I'll link everyone below, so please go over and check those channels out. Give them some crafty love, subscribe to them. This is not a giveaway, it's just a collab to just have fun and everybody show their project. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and you'll go check out all the other girls. So you guys have a great day, and we'll see you guys in the next video.